Hey everyone, welcome back to the Internet Income Academy. Today's topic is all about SEO best practices for website optimization. Whether you're a blogger, an e-commerce website owner, or a small business owner, it's important to understand the basics of SEO and how to optimize your website for search engines. In this video, we'll cover some of the most important SEO best practices and share some real-life examples and useful websites and tools to help you improve your website's search engine rankings. When it comes to optimizing your website for search engines, it's important to understand what people are searching for and how search engines are ranking websites. For example, if you have a website selling pet supplies, you want to make sure that your website appears at the top of search engine results when people search for keywords like pet supply or dog toy. The first step in SEO optimization is to perform keyword research. This involves identifying the keywords and phrases your target audience is searching for when looking for your products or services. There are many free and paid tools available online to help you with this, including Google Analytics and Google Keyword Planner. By researching the most relevant keywords for your business, you can optimize your website's content and meta tags to increase your chances of ranking higher in search engine results. Once you have identified the keywords you want to target, it's time to optimize your website's content. This includes optimizing the title tags, meta descriptions, headings, and body text with your target keywords. It's important to do this in a way that is natural and not over-optimized, as search engines may penalize websites that appear spammy. Another important aspect of SEO optimization is building high-quality backlinks to your website. Backlinks are links from other websites that point to your website. Search engines view backlinks as a vote of confidence in your website's credibility and authority. There are many ways to build backlinks, including guest blogging, broken link building, and social media outreach. Make sure your content is high quality and relevant to your target audience. Use your target keywords in your content and meta tags, but don't overdo it, as this can actually hurt your SEO rankings. There are also many helpful tools available online to help you with your SEO optimization. Some of my personal favorites include Ahrefs, SEMrush, and Moz. These tools can help you track your website's performance, identify new keyword opportunities, and monitor your backlink profile. So why not give it a try and see what insights you can uncover? As you know, we just discussed how important SEO optimization is for website traffic. Well, that's all for today's video on SEO best practices for website optimization. I hope you found this information helpful and valuable. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos on how to grow your online business. Thanks for watching.